To load a map, we press the Load Map button. Next, select the desired file, then OK. Usually, after a few seconds, the map is loaded. As you can see, we can zoom and move it in 2 dimensions and in 3 dimensions. When zooming, you can see that the image is not that clear. To improve the appearance, we will load it again, but now with a higher DPI resolution. We select 150 for the DPI. In most cases, this will be enough. Don't use a higher DPI resolution unless it is needed, because it might slow the software down. Next, press OK. Now it looks much better. Before continuing with the project, we must check that the map is calibrated. This check is done by using the software ruler to measure a segment for which the real length is known. This should be done for a vertical and horizontal segment. We first check the vertical segment with a 75 centimeter length. The result is correct. For the second horizontal segment, the result is also fine. But this will not always be the case. To demonstrate how the calibration is done when needed, we will load the same map again, but this time with the wrong scale. We select the same file as before, but for the map scale, we choose 100 instead of 50. The DPI as before will be 150. As you can see, the real map scale is 1 to 50 and not 1 to 100 as we selected. We measure the 2 segments again. This time, their length is twice as long. As such, the map must be calibrated. We press the Calibrate Map button. The default option is to calibrate by mouse. We will use this option. Now the real distance between the 2 points we are going to click should be entered. Our horizontal segment's real length is 172. We now click at the 2 edges of the arrow. We need to do the same for the vertical segment with a 75 centimeter length. Again, click at the 2 edges of the arrow. Let's check if the map is calibrated now. The length is fine. The length is fine also for this segment. Therefore, the map is indeed calibrated.